Stop comparing yourself. You are not them, they are not you. Live your life without competition. There is no need to compare your life with other people's life. God will bless you at the right time. Other people, they have got pressure. That's why you saw they are out of budget. Sometimes you want to impress people or people to see you like you are a high class life, but you know that you are struggling even to get money to buy an expensive wigs. Nowadays there is Brazilian what you buy expensive wigs, but you don't have a bed to sleep or blankets. So sometimes we have to live the life you can afford than to impress people. You buy expensive clothes, but you don't have food at the house, even property at the house, or a ground or a house to stay, but you are buying expensive things, go to expensive restaurants, what. Don't compare yourself with other people's life, because other people, they can afford to do all those things, but you have to look at your pocket, to look at your salary, that my salary fees to sleep in expensive hotels, what. You have to look at those things and don't compare your life with other people's life, what. You have to do those things you can afford. Yes, we know that you are not in that level now. You have to deal with those things you can have at that time. When the right time comes, guys, it will happen. You can spend everything you want, but now you have to deal with what you have, the money. Check your pocket that your pocket can fit to be in expensive hotels, to buy expensive clothes. That's why you saw even in shops there is those shops who can buy people who don't have money, are not expensive clothes, what, and expensive clothes quality, because you can't buy expensive clothes, but you know that your salary is not fit, or you end up you don't have money to buy food, because you want to impress people. You compare yourself with other people. There is no need to do that. You have to live the life you afford. Live the life you afford than to compare with other people, or you want to impress people. It doesn't work, because at end of the day, at end of the month, you are the one who have got stress. Other people, they took credits of clothes. You are on credits of clothes every time. You owe clothes at shops every time. So sometimes other man, you took a credit of expensive car, and you have got stress at end of the month, because they want that money.